These retail for over $300. The sun is out and it's a beautiful day, you guys. So I think it is the perfect day to go. Nobody say that I don't work for my money because I just got railed in the back by that cart. Somebody was pushing a cart and it hit me in the back so hard. Anyway, Brooks Brothers can be really good, and the comps look really decent for this style, so I say for $6. Let's go ahead and pick them up. Okay, so this is a brand called Naot, N-A-O-T. It's like kind of hard to see. I sold this a lot. They make like clogs and comfort shoes, so they should sell for like $30, and they're only $6. I spotted these. They looked pretty nice. They're called Riker Anti-Stress, and I think these retail for like over $100. The resale seems to be really consistent at about $30. So for $4, we're gonna go for it. Well, I don't grab every dance go when it's like a different style, not just the standard clog. They do really, really well. So I think these could sell for around $40. And let's see what the $6. That's not bad. These looked interesting. They are the Steve Madden Cliff sneakers, and these actually do sell really well. The only issue is they're $12, so we're gonna pass today. But if I found them like at the bins or for cheaper, I think they could easily sell for $30 to $35. Those are some Nike Air Max 720s, and those would be fantastic if they weren't completely destroyed. I mean, really stained. I was debating whether or not I was gonna like pick them up and try to clean them, but I decided against it because I don't like doing a ton of shoe projects all at the same time. It's a little bit overwhelming, so I try to be more selective about what I pick up. But yeah, if those were in really, really good condition, those could probably go for like $50 to $70. So we've got some Coach. These are the men's Win Panama shoes. I do see one listing on eBay for $150, but I don't think they'll get that at all. And they're pretty discolored, so Coach is just too slow moving for me. Maybe in really good condition I'd grab it, but we're gonna pass for now. Okay, so this style of Vans sells so well. So for just $6, even though they're please shut up! So even though they're a smaller size, I do think they will still do just fine for $6. So these look really nice. It's got like a shearling interior. They are leather. The YKK zip. Those are all good signs. I do see comps that are pretty decent, but when something is genuine leather and well made, then it still sell well. So for $10, I'm gonna take the risk on these. I am so glad I picked up these boots. Of course, I could only do like limited research in the store, but these retail for over $300. The brand is Overland, and these are like the men's Phoenix leather boots. I'm very optimistic about the resale value. I think at least $100, if not more, for these. So very, very exciting. Okay, what is this? Arcopedico? Weird is good, and these look kind of weird. So upon further investigation, these are decent. I wouldn't say they're great, but for $4, I think that's like $25. All right, would you look at these hiding up here? These are some Uggs, and they've seen some better days, but they're the toggle button. These are a nicer style. For $6. I think we can clean this up, and future me will show you how it goes. Okay, so as promised, these Uggs do need a little bit of TLC, but we're gonna try to fix that today. So I'm gonna stuff them full of socks or dunnage or something to kind of stiffen up the front toe box area. And then I'm gonna use some Suede Nubuck cleaner, and we're gonna brush them. My kids take my cleaning supplies, my Suede, I don't know, they think it's a toy. And so I'm using an old toothbrush, and we're gonna use that to brush it off and see how it goes. There's also like these little tiny, the camera will pick it up, fuzz balls that get stuck, some discoloration. That's so easy to remove actually with just a little, there we go. With a sweater shaver, you can get those out. So right on the shearling. And that just helps it look clean again. Here, look at that. Good as new, no more pilling. This is the before, that, and this is the after. I think it looks so much better. I think these will sell really great. Guys, I got so lucky. I just peeked at these randomly, and because I thought they looked different. Heyo. I swear it's like it's drawn to me. I'm a magnet. And these look like a really different style, which is good. So I'll look up exactly what these are, but it's officially a good thrift day.
So those Lululemon crops are actually the Lululemon Noir lounge pants. They're so cute, and I do see a recent sold listing for $40, so I'm so glad that I found those randomly. So those should sell fantastically. It's always a good day when I find Lulu.
Okay, and then back to back, you guys. So right behind them are these, WR.UP. This is a brand called Freddy's. These are the slouch pants, and I've sold this brand before. Sells fantastically well. So I think these could be better than the Lulus. We will see, but crazy that they were hiding right together. Some stuff does better on eBay, some stuff does better on Poshmark. And if you guys are wanting to cross-post your items from eBay to Poshmark and vice versa to Mercari, Facebook, you can use Flip, which is completely free. Ooh, as I'm chatting, look you guys, Guinevere's Anthropology. It can be hit or miss, but for $3 and with this really unique pattern, I think it will do really well actually, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it. And it's a free Poshmark closet share, so you can have your closet being shared all day without doing any work yourself. And let's say you can't get out to go thrifting like me, you're a busy person, I get it, so am I. You can also get consignment absolutely free from Flip. You just pay the commission to the consignee when the item sells. So you can sign up using my link in the description. I can't recommend it enough, and it is completely risk-free to you guys because it is, again, $0. Okay, look at this, you guys. Wow, this is so cool. This is a Jaeger vintage, like, look at this blouse. This has to be like 70s or something. Skirt set, and is it silk? I don't know if it's silk. We will see. This could do phenomenally well. Okay, I had to. This is that Jaeger vintage skirt blouse. You can see like it's got this ruffle, like really pretty ruffle detail. This is like kind of a total vibe. I don't know if it's like doing me a whole lot of favors in this region, but that's okay. You know what I've been doing too is like, as I try these things on for you guys, I'll take a couple pictures and I'll add them to my eBay listing, and I don't know if it helps. But the last few things that I've done that to have sold a little faster, maybe because people like to be able to like see them on someone. So anyway, but yeah, this is amazing. Am I in Mad Men? I don't know. Like, I feel like a little bit like the secretary in Ferris Bueller's Day Off. This is really classic, and I really hope it sells. I think it will. Whenever I see fresh racks, I gotta peek, because these can usually hold some hidden gems, because they've not really been gone through. Running $6. Yeah. Oh, like this. Heck yeah. Okay. Hey, we've got some. This felt like kind of nicer activewear, and that little logo, the moon, means it's Zaya. I find it a lot in Utah. And it sells decently well, so for $8, I think it'll flip really nicely. Okay, so we've got another Lulu. You can tell, oops, right there. The tank tops don't do great, but it's only $2. So I think it is a no-brainer. All right, hey, I love Vineyard Vines, and these are like some women's shorts. I mean, it won't sell for tons, but for $3, these are way cute. Okay, so over here in the leggings section, we've got some Kings. These are hunting pants. They are new with tags right there. They are the Freya pant, and these retail for $130, and they're brand new. So for only $7, I think that's a no-brainer. Okay, so these felt nice. This is a brand called Third Love, and I think they sell bras. That's how I knew them, at least. But I guess they have leggings now, and the comps look really good. So for $4, let's go ahead and pick these up. Okay, so let me just take you through some of my thinking sometimes. So I see this, I feel it feels heavy and nice. And then I see Made in USA. That's a good sign. Wilson and Willie's. I mean, I have no idea if this could be nothing, but it could be good. So those are the indicators I need to look something up. Fingers crossed. Let's see if it actually is worth something. Okay, and sure enough, I looked this up. It's a very expensive brand, which makes sense because it's very nice and it's stitched beautifully, very heavy. So I see people with listings on eBay for like $200. So keep your eyes peeled for that tag right there.
Okay, so about that Wilson and Willie's, here's the tag. Now, okay, I had to do a little bit more research. I don't know that the listings I saw for sale on eBay were like accurate. This is actually a company that was based in like, I think New England. I saw an article about it when I was doing research at home. They went out of business, I think 5 years ago or so, maybe 6, and they made really high quality clothing, but I do think there may still be resale value for this. It is really well made. The fact that they don't make it anymore could be beneficial as far as like resale goes. I'll just have to keep you guys posted on whether or not it sells.
This is older tag Athleta. So this is like from 2017. It's only $6. I'm on the fence just because I do like the more recent Athleta better, but let's go for it. I do think it'll still sell just fine. Hey, all right, more Zaya, and for only $3. That's fantastic, and they're in really clean condition. So let's go. Hey, all right, we've got some Ragged Priest, some jeans, and they've done okay. This is just $3, but you know, it's kind of worn. It's not super special, so I do think I'll leave it behind. But this has been a decent brand of jean to pick up. I think it's sold at Zoomies. Yeah, it does fine. Okay, so I did find something on that fresh rack right back there, and it's this Nike jacket, which I need to look up the exact style name, but it's only $8, and for like a windbreaker like this, at least in the past, they've always sold really, really well for me. So yeah, kind of exciting. I do have to wrap it up soon though, because I gotta get home. Okay, so you guys won't believe this, but this is the third of this Zaya jacket that I found. 1, 2, and 3 here. So I don't know, someone's liquidating their inventory.
All right, so you guys saw me. I picked up 3 of these. These are the Zaya Ultra Lightweight Windbreaker. I don't know that Zaya is selling quite as well as it once did. It's still selling very consistently. A couple of these are new with tags. So there's some new with tags ones. There's a pre-owned one. Whenever I have the same item in multiple sizes, it's so easy to list. So I do expect to get around $30 to $35 each for these, maybe more for the new ones.
And then I see this for $5, this cute little Pilcrow. This is Anthropologie. I am picky with Anthropologie, but this has a kind of embroidered, different, unique vibe. So I think it'll sell okay.
So I am glad I picked up this Pilcrow top. Anthropologie brands, like I said, can be really hit or miss. So some of them just don't move at all. Some of them, if they're more recent, do move pretty well. There's so many brands that are housed in Anthropologie. Pilcrow is one that you'll see a lot, but try to make sure that it's a more recent style or something that has good sold comps. I do see a comp on Poshmark for $30 for this exact blouse. So that makes me optimistic that it'll sell okay and it has a more unique style.
So whenever you're in like the flannel section, something you're gonna wanna look out for is a brand called Dixon with 2 X's. I have yet to find it again, but I did find it once at a yard sale for $1 each, and I got 3 of them. Each of them sold for $150. So Dixon is like a super nice flannel brand. It's a men's brand. I think they sell women's too. Yeah, that was such a great day. So whenever I go to the flannel section, I'm looking real quick for that specific logo. All right, I am very excited to add this up with you guys, but it's the most important time of our thrift trip, and that is treat time. Oh my gosh, wow, I needed that. Oh, it's so good. So I know for a while I was saving up with my bins money to buy like my dream wardrobe, and while that was really fun and exciting, there's actually a new project that I'm more excited about and really want done more, and that is a home project I've had my eye on forever. I cannot stand our stairs. I've been looking at them for 8 years, and since it's the first thing you see when you open our front door, I just hate that it's carpet and it's a half wall, and I've always wanted to get that fixed and have it be a really pretty banister with possibly some wood stairs and make it look kind of more what I envisioned. So of course you guys know those are very expensive. When it comes to home projects, it's just so expensive, and I don't want to pay any money out of pocket for all of that. So, okay, just for reference, here they are in all their glory. You know, I am grateful. I'm always grateful. I love our home. I'm so grateful that we have it. I'm so grateful for the memories we have here, and our neighbors are amazing. I love our neighborhood. I just really would love to have an updated look to these stairs and to get rid of this tile and to do something different. So what I'm gonna do is create a new challenge, and with you guys, you can help keep me accountable. I'm gonna be saving up money with just my thrifted and bin finds. Everything I make, all the profit from that, minus fees and taxes and whatever, will go towards some of these home renovation projects, and I'll kind of update you as we go. So we're still gonna learn all about
out great brands that sell, but I'll be tracking my profit with you and kind of using that as a budget to get some of these home repairs done. Okay, so that brings my total potential sales value of today's thrift haul to just over $700. So far this month on eBay, I have sold $6,100 in pre-owned clothing and shoes, and I generally take home about half of that after fees and taxes and everything else. I will get more exact numbers as we drill down into our budget a little bit more, but let's go ahead and assume that I have $3,000 so far to put away towards my budget for our new stairs. Hallelujah. That will not cover it. I have a feeling it's going to be quite expensive. I'm contacting people right now actually to get that all sorted and to get some bids. I'm so excited that I'll be able to do this just by thrifting and going to the bins and selling stuff on eBay. So stay tuned if you want to see the whole journey. Thank you again, you guys. I just appreciate you so much. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks again, and I'll catch you next time.